Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. And today I am going to show you beautiful view of my village. Just look at my back. Just look at that. How beautiful moment. This is looks like a great scenery. Just look at that. This area. How beautiful. Sun is slowly down because it's time to sunset, and I am here for spending time because I like this place, and I am standing beside the main road, and this is Geo Tower of our village. Totally this area is fine and we enjoy with the nature. Just look at that. Lots of farming here, and these are paddy field. Now this field is empty.